good and all up in my face. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Syriah and you're watching Simple Syriah. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing like you can see in the title, and we're just gonna get straight to it. I got my camera and I am so excited. I've been holding this for about a week now, I'm thinking, because I ordered this like March 20 something, like 25th or something like that, and it was taking so long to come. So I'm just now getting it. Well, I got it yesterday, but I was at my boyfriend's house, so I wasn't able to get it right away or open it or anything. So I just got home today and I'm ready to open it, but I definitely wanted to show you guys me unboxing this, as well as some accessories and stuff that I got for it. But we'll just get right into opening up the box. The first thing that came in the box is a SD card. This is the 32 gigabyte. You can't do anything without the SD card. But I also got another one from Best Buy when I went to try to, like, after I bought the camera, I went to Best Buy to get some things, which is all in this bag. And I also ordered some things off of Amazon that I needed, but I got another SD card just to be safe because I wanted to make sure I had two, like, at all time. And so this one is 128 gigabytes and it was on sale. It's usually like $60. Best Buy been having this sale going on where they're like $30, so I just grabbed one. The next thing that came in the box is an tripod, and I already have big tripods, like, because the one I use on my phone is pretty big, and I have another one next to it that I have my ring light on and stuff. So my tripods, I already have really big tripods, but I have no little like hand portable ones. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and open this. It's pretty sturdy too. Like, it has some weight to it. Like, it doesn't seem flimsy is what I'm saying. Like, it seems like this is a good quality tripod. God, I don't know, my mind be everywhere, y'all gotta work with me. But I got some more accessories, so since I'm kind of like showing a tripod, I feel like I should just show the accessories because they like go together. So I also got a cover, like a screen protector and a camera cover to go over it so that it's protected. I did get protection on the camera, but just to be extra safe, my camera is black, so I just got a black little thing to cover or to put over it. And then I also got a glass screen protector because I heard that, well, I actually did go, when I was at Best Buy, mess with the display, and they did it, like, it has a touch screen little monitor, I believe that's what it's called. So I got a screen protector for it because I also did read reviews. This say G7X 3, so I hope it fit. I don't know if it's a difference, but it did say that that's an easy, like, if you drop it, it can break easily. So I got a screen protector to maybe help that out. And the next thing in the box is just an extra battery, because since I got the creator kit, it did come with 2 batteries, which is really helpful because now I don't have to worry about going to buy an extra battery. I can always keep 2 batteries, like one in the camera, and make sure that one is always charged. So that's really helpful. Finally, dun, 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 I got the camera and it looks so cool, and it took forever. And then, like, when I was waiting on my order, y'all, I found out that they sold out, like, out of the creator kits. And I was thinking they wasn't finna send me mine, because I was like, it ain't even no more left. Like, y'all probably scammed me, but they didn't scam me. They sent it to me, and I'm very excited. This was a really good investment, so I'm not mad about it at all. It comes with a little This is a little thing that you put around your wrist. And then, oh, you just plug this right into the wall. And then it comes with the little charger thing, and it's just, I might as well, you can just plug it right into the wall like that. That's like really cool. I like that. I just went to go plug that other one up, so at least one of them's charging. I got another one, so we'll just see if that one has battery. If not, then I'll just take the one that's charging and put it in. Look, it's so tiny. This is so cute. This is so cute, y'all. This is real cute. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. I can't believe I really sat here and bought a camera. Like, that's just so crazy. Like, I really sat here and did that. And like, has a little, I don't know what you'll do this for, but I mean, seems pretty cool. I don't know how to do any of this. I'm going to, before I put it on though, I'm gonna put the accessories on it. This thing is like, it's kind of heavy. Like, it's just like, say cheese. Like, I have videos in store for you guys, like seriously. Especially now that I have a camera, it's like I don't have an excuse, and I paid a good grip for this camera, especially that creator kit and the insurance and all these other accessories I had to buy. Child, I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna put the glassware on it, but I want to show you guys the rest of the things that I got. I also told you guys in my last video, I'm pretty sure that I got a this is real busted because I opened it already, but hey, I got a microphone for it, so that when I'm doing sit down videos, the video will sound good. And it's just a little Rode microphone that I got from Best Buy. So this is the little piece that you'll use at the bottom to connect the microphone, because the Canon G7X Mark II does not come with a little place for you to be able to put the microphone. It also doesn't come with the right like piece. Like, you have to order a separate piece as well, which is this, to plug the microphone into the Canon. So I got the extra pieces that I needed in order to do that. But honestly, I might put this on. I don't think I'm gonna actually put the microphone on right this second because I don't really want it on, and I want to do a test, but I just want to test it with the regular Canon G7X sound instead of the sound from my phone, or it's like the microphone sound, so I can know the actual difference from my phone and the Canon G7X. So I have, you can't tell, I did actually a pretty good job with putting the screen protector on, but I have the screen protector on there now, and then I have the case on there as well as the tripod. I don't know, I put it on backwards. I don't know how to get it on the right way. Just turn it on. Gotta set today's time. So the battery did not have any charge. I was able to do the date and the time, but that's all I had time for. I'm about to go get the other battery. This case, I don't like it. Like, ooh, good and all up in my face. I'm forgetting, y'all. Look, I like it. The settings aren't bad either. I think I might take this case off though. I don't like, it's like it's too small. So it is recording. I wonder what's the difference. Get in the light a little bit, because I'm going to be doing a video off of this soon, and I gotta make sure I'm not looking at myself, but I'm looking in the camera lens. This is so much better to know that I'm looking in the camera lens this up here, the viewfinder, is literally just to make sure I'm in the video and everything else that I want to be in the video is in the video. This screen seems a lot smaller than like the phone screen, but I think that might just be because the viewfinder is smaller than my actual phone thing. Let me get it out the way. This hurt my arm a little bit. I don't know, like I'm gonna have to be switching arms. This mug a little heavy because I was saying like the tripod has a little weight to it by itself, and then with the camera on top of it, it's a little weight. So I don't know. I think it's fine though. I like it. I definitely think you could see more of my face, but I think it's just because how close I am. Let's try to set it up like how my camera is set up. So this right here is my phone and how it looks and how it sounds and how it shows me. And then over here is the camera and how it looks and how it sounds. I'm definitely going to be updating the settings on here because I was watching videos about it and it just makes it better. Again, sorry for the beeping. I feel like it's going to be so much louder on this camera than it is on the phone, but I'm going to try to edit over it and make it sound as good as I possibly can because it's very annoying. It's like really annoying. But it definitely be more videos coming off of this canning like very soon, like today. Like I got some video ideas that I have planned and I'm definitely trying to execute them, and especially now that I finally got the camera here, it's no reason why I shouldn't be able to, but I'm definitely going to be working on that. I mean, I like it. I mean, it definitely had me looking a little cross-eyed. I guess I gotta get used to what arm I want to do it and how I want to look, I guess. I definitely do like it. Don't think I like this, and this thing keeps falling off. I think you're just supposed to take this off when you start recording or something. But I also did grab an adapter so I would be able to get the memory from the SD card onto my iPad, because that's where I edit my videos, and I'm trying to find better editing software that I can use on my iPad. So hopefully that works out. But that was me testing the Canon G7X Mark II and all of the accessories that I got with it. You have made it to the end of this video. I am about to go get in the shower and wash my hair and then start my hair because we got a vlog coming and it's going to be this weekend, because this weekend should be a lit weekend and your girl is ready for a lit weekend. I had a little fun last weekend with my boyfriend, but this weekend is supposed to be the ultimate weekend so we can have fun and stuff. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe if you want to join the family and see where my videos are going to be going now that the quality is going to be better. I need that natural light, that neutral light. This like blinded me, like I can't see. I definitely will see you guys in the next video, and I can't wait to continue to make more content for you. This is just the beginning and it's only going to go up from here. So I'll see you guys in the next video.